We want you to know that you are source energy beings, extensions of source energy, but source energy beings yourself. You are source energy, and you've come with powerful intention to sift through life and to let it produce within you ideas of improvement and more. And when that happens, even if you're in a bad mood, you emanate a request that your inner being hears and responds to. So there's a very important thing that we want you to understand right here and now, and we're going to talk about it until we can feel you clicking in and getting it, because this is key to everything deliberate that you will do for the rest of your life experience. The law of attraction is responding to you. We just want you to understand who you are, what we mean when we say you. And what we mean when we say you is not just this magnificent body that you have claimed as you're sitting here in this room. It's the you that you were before you came into this body that still exists as non-physical energy. So there's this inner being you, and there's this physical you, and both yous have powerful points of attraction. The law of attraction is responding to both aspects of you. So when physical you squirms and writhes and has a bad moment and asks for an improvement, non-physical you becomes the improvement, and the law of attraction begins responding to that improvement. When you ask, it is given. Someone should write a book. When you ask, it is given. It's given, and it's received by that non-physical part of you. The question is, are you in sync with the non-physical part of you? And the answer is sometimes, but not usually. Could be a lot more. Are you in sync with your inner being? How would I know if I am? I feel great. I feel eager. I feel love. I feel sure. I feel well-being. I feel clarity. I feel eagerness. But if I'm not in sync while I'm in my human form, then I feel irritation. I feel some distress. I feel annoyance. I feel blame or guilt or fear or hatred or something like that. So you have 2 points of attraction potentially. We're wanting you to make it into one. We're wanting you to move yourself deliberately into vibrational sync or alignment or allowing with your inner being, so that you can experience the benefit of that point of attraction. And we want so much for you to understand that one who's connected to this energy, to the momentum of this energy, your inner being has offered no resistance that could be acknowledged by you for as long as you've been in this physical body. That's a huge amount of momentum, of gathering of cooperative components on your behalf. And it takes so little cooperation of you in your physical form to merge with that and then be in that powerful place of attraction. Oh, the awesome power of non-resistant thought. That's what we're talking about. That's where your inner being is all the time. But when your inner being is standing in that awesome place of non-resistant thought and calling to you because you said you wanted it, all those things that you're asking for, and you're standing in discord with that, it makes you scream to the boundaries of the universe. Not fair, unjust. Why is that happening to me? Why am I not getting what I've been asking for? Because you keep doing that. Because you keep noticing what is already manifested instead of feeling the vibration of what's underway. Instead of knowing what your inner being knows about what you've asked for, you're taking score of the manifestation. So what we're talking about here is we want you to get out ahead of that, by letting yourself feel the way your inner being feels about where you stand in relationship to that. We would like so much if you could get a sense in your mind of the coming together of the things that matter to you, and you would feel an appreciation and a certainness and a sureness and a I'm being seen and I am loved and I'm being tended to and all is well. Because if you can accomplish those feelings, then you join vibration with your inner being, and you get to experience the moment by moment conscious aware unfolding of these vibrations turn into thoughts and ideas, and these thoughts and ideas turning to actions and impulses, and these actions and impulses turning to the manifestation of each and everything that you've asked for. There is nothing that you cannot be or do or have. Everything that you've ever wanted, no matter how good you are at articulating it, has come together, has already culminated. But our knowing of what is and your knowing of what is are two different knowings, because we know the isness of the vibrational unfolding, and you don't want to count it until it's parked in your garage. You don't want to count it until the money's in the bank. You want it. You want the manifestation of it. You got to get over that. And it makes you worry when we say you got to get over needing the manifestation in order to feel good, because you think we're just trying to teach you to feel good so that you'll just settle for what is. Oh yeah, Abraham just wants us to feel good anyway. Oh, we just want you to feel good. And we know what that leads to, because we understand the process of the way things unfold. We think you heard that clearly. So what do you want to talk about? What are the subjects that you want to talk about, that together we can mold a new vibrational understanding within you, so that your point of attraction will be more steadily accommodating to letting in the things that you want? What things can we talk about so that you can begin a conscious, deliberate, happily ever after life now? What do you want to talk about? Right here. Start right there.